Uh, in this video, we're going to take a look at editing content that's already on your website. So you can see we have a menu system along the top here. And if you're logged in, remember logging in takes place over here. Basically navigate to where you want to make some changes. So I'm going to click on this menu here. And here we are, the page is called Senior Programs. I can click on Edit Page here, or I can click on Edit Page down here. Let's just choose this one for now. Once we click Edit, we're now into the editing screen. There are two ways to look at this page here, the content on it. You can use the visual editor, which looks a lot more like a word processor, with the WYSIWYG tools up here. Or if you really want to get geeky, you can get to the back end, take a look at the code, and you can paste embed code for YouTube videos and those kinds of things if you're inclined to do that. Generally, we spend most of our time in the visual end here, and I'll just take you through a few things here. Now, when you're typing out your text, you want to, for the most part, use the default setting, which is paragraph, like that. We do not use all kinds of different fonts. In fact, the font is already set. The sets of fonts are set by the theme for this website. Now you can change things such as portions of it, like headlines or headers. So I could change that to, let's say, a heading number 3. And I could choose the next one to be heading number 3 as well. And so just designating things as more important than others, like that. So if we change this and then save it or update it, we can have a look at what those changes look like rendered to the front page. So I hit save or update, and then I'm going to go to view the page right here. Alright, so now you're going to take a look at these headers here. They look quite a bit different than they did before. So these are all set according to the theme of the website. You can change them to heading 3, heading 2, and each of those headings have slightly different sizes and different text treatments. I'm going to go back now and change those. The nice thing about WordPress is that it keeps a track of all the revisions that you're making each time you save. So if I want to go back and change that back to the previous one, I can just click on Browse, and it'll show me here that this is the 4th revision. I can move it over to this one and restore to this one, like that. So now when I go to the front, actually I'll just first of all update it. And go to the front as soon as that's done. And you'll see that it's back to normal. New page. There. Okay, so that's how we edit things. Let's go back to this page again. I'll just add a couple more things. If you want to add a photograph or some media to your page, such as a PDF file or any sort of file, you just click on Add Media, and then you either choose a photograph from your media library or you add something else. So you can click on Upload Files, and if you, let's say, want to add a picture, navigate to a picture. If you want to add a PDF, you can choose a PDF and click on Choose, let's say, and it uploads to your media library, and once it's there, last thing you do is you insert it into the page like that. So this thing here, this media library, has the entire set of documents and photographs that you're using for your website. I'm going to delete this for now because it's not something for your website. Just abandon that. Alright, so let's go back here. So that's how we edit or insert media. Actually, let's go back there and insert a photograph instead, an image file. So let's put one right there. Put the cursor there. I'm going to click on Add Media, and I'm going to find this one. I'm going to insert it into the page. There it is. Now, if I want to make it behave a certain way, I can click on it again, either delete it or go to this little button here, which brings me to more options. Right now it is wrapping text around it, and it is up against the left-hand side. You can do a number of different things here if you want to make some changes. I'm going to go into advanced settings and show you one thing I like to do very often is to add a bit more horizontal space between the text and the image. So I like to put an extra 5 or 10 pixels right in there and then hit update. You'll see that it just gives you a little bit more space. You can change the size by going like this, and then once you're happy with that, hit update, and it makes changes like that. So that's how you insert an image. You can look at more options there if you like. And finally, I'm going to show you another common thing that is how to make links. Let's say I wanted to take this string of text here and turn it into a link. I can click on the link tool over here, and I can search and have this linked to another page already in the website. So for instance, if it was maybe this one or another one that would be downloads, it can link it to a page inside the website. However, if it's a page outside the website, my suggestion is to go to the website first and copy the URL and paste it right in here. Choose if you want to have it open in a new window. Generally, pages that are outside of your website that you're linked to, you want them opening up in a new window. Inside your website, not so much. Clicking Add Link will then insert the link. The rest of these are fairly self-explanatory: underline, bold, italics, quotes, and alignment, that sort of thing. Bulleted lists, numbered lists, the undo, indent. If you're pasting in from another source, you might want to paste it in as plain text, which strips the formatting out, and you might even choose to change the color of your text.